election campaign of the Aam Aadmi Party. Now, normally it would be their leader Arvind Kejriwal who's leading the campaign, but obviously he's in jail, and his wife Sunita Kejriwal is actually spearheading this particular campaign event. The Aam Aadmi Party claims that jailing Kejriwal is part of the government's attempt to kneecap the opposition and create an unequal playing field in the BJP's favour. The BJP denies this. They say the charges are real and this is part of their anti-corruption drive.
भाइयों बहनों, मोदी का एक ही संकल्प है, भ्रष्टाचार हटाओ।
The PM's claim would carry more weight if it wasn't for his party's double standards on corruption when it serves the BJP's political interests. Like a liquor baron turned politician, implicated in the same scam as Kejriwal, and today is an NDA candidate from Andhra Pradesh.